This is a brief review of the forecasting guide for high school students in the Hillsboro School District. The purpose of this presentation is to review the course selection process for the upcoming school year. The main objective is to help parents and students to understand graduation requirements and the steps to follow to successfully complete high school and go on to college or a career. We will begin with graduation requirements. On screen, you can see the requirements that each student should complete to receive a standard diploma. Students need a minimum of 24 credits to graduate. Those credits are comprised of core classes and electives. Beside each course, the required number of credits is indicated. For example, English Language Arts requires 4 credits, or 8 semesters for completion, with each semester being equal to half a credit. Shown are the courses that students should complete in each grade. If a student cannot complete the required classes in a given academic year, they can retake the class during summer school to stay on track for graduation. Here you can see an example transcript. The transcript is an important document required by universities in the application process. A transcript gives a summary of all courses completed during the student's high school years. It also includes grades and the student's grade point average. There are various diploma types besides the standard diploma. Hillsboro School District also offers the Chancellor's Diploma, Modified Diploma, and Extended Diploma. In this table, you can find the general requirements for each different type of diploma. At Hillsboro High School, the IB program is offered. IB is a 2-year educational program offered in 3 languages, English, Spanish, and French, for high school students between 16 and 19 years old. This program is highly regarded by prestigious universities around the world due to its rigorous curriculum. During their final year in high school, each student can demonstrate their dominance of the curriculum by receiving a passing grade on IB exams. The AP program is offered at Century, Liberty, and Glencoe. AP is an academic program designed to provide motivated students with university-level classes. This program was created in 1995 by the College Board, and for this reason, it is only recognized in the United States. Students can receive college credits by showing their dominance of course material and receiving passing grades on AP exams. What is the student planning to accomplish? Planning for success. Apart from the graduation requirements, students also have the opportunity to develop leadership skills by participating in other activities or programs. Here, we have a few examples. Students and parents should inform themselves about the requirements students must meet to participate in extracurricular or leadership activities. Off-campus electives are also offered in 2-period blocks. Transportation to these classes is provided, but it is necessary to fill out an application beforehand. Students should only enroll in these courses if they are very interested, because it can have a large impact on their schedule. These are examples of off-campus electives offered at each school. For more information, look in the course catalogs. Completing the forecasting form, required classes. In filling out your forecasting form, it's important that all required classes are marked with a check. Electives should be written at the bottom of the form in order of preference. Required credits and elective credits should add up to 8 credits total. Seminary, late arrival, and early release count as a credit for forecasting purposes only. These English Language Arts classes are offered in different grade levels. As you can see, the ability to take AP classes begins in 11th grade. Keep in mind that students at Hillsboro High School have the option to follow the diploma program or the IB diploma program. Science requires 3 credits, starting with physics, chemistry, and ending finally with biology. It is recommended that students hoping to continue on to a university career take a 4th science credit. It is also required to take 3 math credits, starting with Algebra 1 and continuing on to Geometry, Algebra 2, and beyond. Students wanting to continue their studies in college are also advised to take a 4th math credit. Social Studies requires 3 credits as well: World Studies in 9th grade, U.S. History in 11th, and Economics in 12th. 1 health credit and 1 PE credit are required for graduation. As you can see, the PE credit is divided into 2 semesters. Elective PE classes, such as strength and conditioning or sports, do not count as part of the required credits. If a student plans to take some of these classes online, they should indicate this on the forecasting form and talk about it with a counselor. If a student is interested in pursuing a career in health sciences, a student must take anatomy and physiology and health sciences for 11th grade. Of the 3 options shown on screen, option 1 is the best option for students, as biology is a better foundation for health sciences. Planning for advanced classes. Let's say a student is interested in taking AP Biology. It is highly recommended that students take biology and chemistry first, as these classes can be beneficial in future biology courses. AP classes require a different learning style, and it's important that the student knows how to use their time well. Families can review the College Board AP Bio page and the AP page for other classes as well for more information on the units and topics covered. For their senior project, students should choose the capstone seminar that coordinates with their college and career pathway. If a student is completing more than 1 program, they should indicate all programs. These additional courses can help students prepare for college prerequisites, placement tests, or career pathways. Completing the forecasting form. Electives. Students must take a minimum of 8 elective credits. There is space for 3.5 credits their first year, 3.5 the second year, 4 in the third year, and 5 in the last year. Place courses in order of preference on the form. It is important to choose wisely and not base elective choices on what friends are choosing. Be sure to include additional credits of core classes like math, science, and world languages. If accepted into AVID, this should be listed as your number 1 elective. Students should be realistic when choosing electives. Things like having multiple AP classes, family responsibilities, or other personal factors are important to consider. If a student is failing a level 1 course, they should not plan to take part 2 the following semester. Different levels of a course cannot be taken at the same time. For example, if a student is in Art 1, they can't also be in Art 2 during the same semester. Before wrapping up this presentation, here are a few important reminders. When filling out the forecasting form, make sure to reference the course catalog. Fill out the form using pencil in case there are any mistakes or sudden schedule changes. Before being turned in, the form must be signed by both the student and their parents. Students should verify the date and place to turn in their forms. When filling out a forecasting form, it is important to think about post-secondary plans, whether that be attending a 4-year university, a 2-year program, or going straight into a career. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact the Academic Counseling Center at your child's school. That's all for today, and we wish you good luck in course selection and academic success. Following is the contact information for school counselors.